Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing our Sephora Play unboxing. If you did not know, this box is $10 a month. You get free shipping. You get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care items, and then a bonus item as well. And 50 beauty insider points to add to your Sephora account in store. And this is also sort of similar to Ipsy, where you take a beauty profile quiz kind of thing, and then you get things catered to that. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, once you have the box opened, it looks just like this inside. Right on top here will be the card with the beauty insider points, and then when you open it up, it'll have the theme and then everything you get in the box. So this month's theme is Beauty Schooled. So and right here I have everything that I got in this bag. They don't list the values in here, so I will put those down below in the description box if you would like to know the breakdown and value, as well as whether items are cruelty free. If I'm not sure, I will research and put that down below as well. Okay, so this month's bag is actually really cute. It says Back to Beauty School. So it's just like that, and it's got like makeup brushes on and stuff on it. It's really cute. I like this one a lot. Okay, let's see. The first item I'm going to pull out is the bonus item. So this is a shampoo and conditioner foil pack sample from Ouai. There it is. So yeah, this, let's see, it's just for repair. So if you have like damaged hair, that's what this is for. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Sorry, the dogs are just a little, they're in a mood today. They're in a mood every day, let's be real. But, so yeah. Anyways, so this is Anastasia, Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So it looks just like that. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it with the shine on it, but there it is. I do use a brow gel occasionally, so and I like that it's clear. The wand looks just like this. So there's that. That's not bad. It's just a little brow gel, so I'm not mad about that. I will definitely use that. Let's see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Living Proof. So it's called TBD Multitasking Styler Styling Cream. So there's that. So this is just like, let's see, apply to wet hair to blow out, apply to dry hair to tame or deconstruct. So I think I would definitely try this. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free. I want to say it is. Let's go ahead and get a little, ooh, it's very like, has a lotion-y consistency, which I figured it would be in a cream, but it's not very thick. Smells really nice and clean. I really like the scent a lot, so makes a great lotion too if you're into that. It's not sticky or anything, so yeah, I definitely like that. I will definitely give this a try if it is cruelty free. Let's see, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is from Origins Skincare. This is a retexturizing mask with rose clay. So it looks like it's a mask that you just put on, you leave on for 10 minutes, and then you wash off. I'm not sure what retexturizing means. Let me see if the little pamphlet says anything. So, a purifying mask that deeply cleans and refines pores for silky smooth skin. I want to say Origins is not cruelty free, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side for a giveaway. I'm fairly certain. I could be wrong, but I will definitely put that down below as always. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Benefit. So this is their Hoola bronzer. Benefit is not cruelty free, unfortunately, but I have heard really, really good things about this bronzer. I know a lot of people really, really love it. Okay. So the sample is just this little pan right here. It's actually a decent size sample for a bronzer. It's big enough so you can get your brush in there, which is really, really good. So I will definitely be putting this into a future giveaway. It's not for me. Okay, looks like I have one item left, and this is from Makeup Forever. It is a lipstick, it looks like. A creamy high pigmented lipstick in the shade Artist Rouge. So Makeup Forever is not cruelty free, so I'm not going to use this or swatch it, but oh, it's like the tiniest sample I've ever seen of a lipstick. Like it barely even comes out of the tube, but that's how big it is. It's just a like a pinky nude kind of color, which is sort of right up my alley, but alas, I am not going to be using this. So yeah, overall, I mean, I guess if I used all these products, I'd probably think it was a decent box. Like, I would definitely be excited about the bronzer and the lip color, but I'm not going to use those. The brow gel, I'm pretty excited for just because I've never tried this one. And then, if this is cruelty-free, I'm actually excited to give this a try. This, meh, and then the bonus item is just the bonus item, so no big deal there. So overall, not a bad beauty box, just not good for me or anyone who else is cruelty free. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxing, do you want to hear my dog crying in the background, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.